Hi, my name's Dr. Rachel Corman and I'm one of the feline specialists at Cat Specialist Services. We have a very cat-friendly approach to what we do here at Cat Specialist Services, and that starts both at home with helping give you some advice on how to transport your cat safely into the clinic, in our waiting area, which has been specifically designed to reduce stress and anxiety for your cat, but also within the consultation space, which we've designed both to allow your cat the safety to roam around should they wish to, or also stay within the safety of their cat carrier. And all of our vets and staff are very well attuned to finding the nicest, safest and most friendly approach to making sure that your cat gets everything that they need from the regards of medical attention, but in a manner that is non-threatening to them and their special needs as a feline patient. So we'll take you through our consultation room now and just show you some of the special features that we've included in the design of our room to help make it as cat friendly as possible. So in the room here you can see that it's a nice, bright, quiet space as well. Obviously we're very lucky in that we only have cats passing through the building here, but once your cat comes in we have a nice comfortable area for clients to sit. You can put your cat carrier on the same level and it's nice and flat and stable if your cat wishes to stay in their carrier. We also have the elevated space, obviously, of the consultation room table, and elevated space is really important for cats as being up higher makes them feel safer and more in control of their environment. Once we take them out of their carrier, we have a non-slip surface here, and this is really important because cats like to be stable and they don't like to sort of be trying to move and be concerned that they're going to slip. And then we have nice sort of bedding that's here that will often have some feline relaxing pheromones that have been sprayed onto it, and you know, they're also kept nice and warm for the cats as well. For cats who are quite mobile and like to come out and explore the room, we also have some different areas on the walls which help to both give them vertical access to height. It also helps to provide them somewhere safe if they wish to hide. But it has the added ability for us to be able to perform physical exams within that space as well if the cats choose to sleep up there as well. One of the other benefits of having climbing areas is that it also allows us to assess a cat's orthopedic ability, so it helps us to see how they move in the environment. Sometimes when cats are really nervous and they just crouch down, it can be very difficult to assess them for any orthopedic injuries. But if they're happy to move around, then it allows us the ability to detect both subtle neurological signs but also signs of arthritis, for example, as well. Once your cat's on the bench, then there's parts of their physical examination that are incredibly important for all cats. We have some baby scales here, and every cat gets weighed at every examination because subtle signs of weight loss can be one of the earliest signs that we can see of disease in cats, particularly in older cats. We also have equipment such as an ophthalmoscope, which allows us to look in the back of your cat's eyes, and that can be really useful for identifying certain diseases such as high blood pressure or certain infections such as cryptococcus fungal infections. And we also can have a look down into their external ear canals and have a look at their eardrums as well. Another part of a cat-friendly approach is to make sure that you have nice, quiet clippers. And one of the things that we do if we know that we have a cat where we need to take a blood sample from them, for example, is that at the start of the consultation process we may clip a little bit of the hair from your cat's neck, and then we'll apply a little local numbing gel because that takes a good sort of 10-15 minutes to get up to effect. So we want to make sure that they're nice and numb before we take a blood sample from them. Other things that we might do for your cat, particularly if they're an older cat, is to perform a blood pressure assessment. And we prefer to do that in the calm environment of the consultation room, typically with their owners present, as that certainly can be beneficial for cats that get anxious without their owners being around. So essentially, when we're looking at your cat, we try and do everything in as cat-friendly a manner as possible. That sometimes means going really slow and just taking things at the cat's pace, making sure that everything that we do is in a non-threatening manner for them. And we typically find that with most cats, we need to go slow to go fast. And that helps us to achieve everything that we need to try and do in order to provide the best healthcare for them. If you have any further questions or want any further information on cat-friendly practice and what cat vets do, then please don't hesitate to visit our website, where you'll find lots of useful information.